got a new rattle. This thing's like, don't underestimate this little guy, man. Oh my gosh, I gotta like catch my breath, dude. These things are so heavy, and putting them in there by myself, that's the main reason they've been sitting in my office for so long, because I hate doing this. So this is the last time, gonna throw them in here. These are the Sundown SA12s, tuned at 32 hertz. They get super low, like insanely low. Look how big those are, dude. It's insane. What's up, everybody? So today I just loaded the SA12s in the back. That's my Sundown Audio X8. Thing's a freaking monster. It's tuned to 34 hertz. For those of you who are into car audio, you guys know that having a hatchback is super beneficial for the sound pressure level. I mean, dude, the 212s are partially, I think, why I have rattles right now. I got those when I first got the car, and oh my gosh, dude, they're insane. So I'm gonna go sell them right now. And I think since I have Epidemic Sound, which I pay for that service for my YouTube channel, that's where I get all my music from. It's not copyright. So I'm gonna try to find a couple songs with bass. Bass is like impossible to capture. Mainly what people do that are in the car audio scene, they like to get video of things flexing and, you know, being ghetto. So I don't know what got into me, man. I used to have a system in my early 20s, and like actually when I first got my car, I always had bass. And then I got this car and I'm like, dude, I got a hatch now. And I don't know what got into me. I wanted a system. Sundown Audio is like top tier, like high quality stuff. Probably one of the best subwoofer brands and amps that you can get for the money. I use the Crescendo Audio S1V2, which is like 1600 watts. I've seen some benchmarks with it where they like, it's called an amp dyno, and it actually puts out more power than it's rated. Same with Sundown. They rate these subs for like, I think 750 or 1000 RMS each on the 12s, and people throw like 2,000–3,000 RMS at them like it's nothing. And I'm telling you, with the S1V2 on this car, it's freaking insane with these little, I guess they're not little, they're 185 pounds, but let's get going. I'm gonna meet this guy at Top Golf, and yeah. Alright guys, so I'm parting ways today with the Sundown Audio SA12s, meeting a guy off Facebook Marketplace. Of course, I'm going to lose a little bit of money. It's car audio. What else would you expect? But these are insane. So these run 750 RMS each. They'll take way more than that. Everybody knows that. But here's the deal. I'm stock electrical. Fortunately, the Kia Stinger has a 150 amp alternator and a pretty big battery. So I'm getting about 1200 RMS clean power. Never send clip signals to your subs, guys. It's horrible on them. But we're gonna be running this. I got a Sundown Audio X8 tuned to 34 hertz. It gets super low. It's still super loud because I have a hatchback, and it just increases the sound pressure level. But these, man, these are just insane, bro. These flex the heck out of this car. The main reason I'm selling these is because they're 180 pounds with the box, and it's slowing me down. We just got the TCU tune, so, you know, performance is more important to me. It looks like he's pulling up. There he is. We'll see how this goes. All right, man, done deal. They're gone, fresh, crisp, twants. Lost about 200 bucks, but oh well. 450, not bad, man. All right, guys, the struggle's real. 180 pounds.
Back there. Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, you want
the pork and
actually
and that stuff.
Okay. That's gone, man. All right, brother.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Enjoy him.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, brother. All right, guys, so that's a done deal. Now we're gonna have to throw the X8 in here. I can manage this one. Ah, that diesel fuel, man. You know, I like a good diesel truck, man, with twin turbos on it. Okay, so hold on, let me throw this. This thing's like, don't underestimate this little guy, man. See ya, brother. It's a massive weight savings right there, let me tell you, man. Again, guys, do not underestimate this little sub. You're like, oh, it's tiny. This subwoofer is massive. I mean, look at that. It's freaking insanely big. All right, we'll have to situate that later. Time to get all these water spots off here. It's always nice when a deal goes through, nothing sketchy. I was not in a hurry to sell those subs. It's so funny, like whenever you list something for sale and you put no trades specifically, like, bro, hey man, will you trade for a lawnmower? It's electric. It's like, bro, get real. All right, guys, let's get her shined up. Guys, so I know I'm supposed to be making content showing you how to make content, YouTube, Reels, IG, all that stuff, how to get the subscribers, but dude, I'm gonna say something right now. Screw GoPro. This microphone input on here for the Rode mics, as you can see, the playback, all of a sudden the audio just dropped. It does that all the time. Just this GoPro sucks, man. And it overheats and shuts off if you have it on for long periods of time. I would look into DJI, man. I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna get myself a DJI action cam, I think. We just sold the SA12s, guys, so those are great subs and super heavy though. So for what I'm doing, it's counterproductive. They're around 185 pounds, but having a hatchback, having a 150 amp stock alternator with a big battery, there is a capability of a super loud audio system in this car to take advantage of. And you know, I always used to have a system when I had first got my license in my early 20s. I don't know what came into me because I had never actually had a hatchback. The SUV that I had, the Tahoe with the 215s, that was the craziest system ever. But this is right up there with it. If not, it's louder because of the hatchback. So keep that in mind. And Adam's calling me right now. Sorry, Adam, I'm recording. We're gonna rock the 34 Hertz Sundown Audio X8. I'm feeding it about 1,000 watts RMS. It's tuned at 34 Hertz. Don't let the size fool you, dude. It's about a 50-pound monster. Yeah, I love it. It's the cleanest, lowest bass I've ever heard. It's perfect. It's a perfect daily sub. And the best part is I can get it in and out of the back there without struggling or scratching anything. And it's just a perfect setup. Sundown Audio is a great brand, by the way. Check them out. A little pricey, but you get what you pay for. I have a couple new parts coming. And remember, the TCU's coming. Drop that in before import face off. We got some awesome stuff planned, guys. The M3, other cars, it's gonna be lit.
I'll go back down there too to do some more shoulders.
Hey bro, looks like you butchered a dog. You didn't know I could cut hair, did you? Yeah, I've been cutting my own hair for like 10 years. I've saved thousands of dollars, put it that way. Cut it every week. Faded. Almost that time. Freaking pool party. But dude, there's like a Nissan, I hope you can see that. Nismo. I don't know if that's a 370 or a 350, but I like this. It's clean. So yeah, man, send me an email. Mobile haircuts, 70 bucks. Car enthusiasts only. Yeah, man, it's pretty clean. What do you guys think? It's not bad at all. Much rather have this bad boy. All right, guys, so it's Easter weekend. Freaking hot in here, man. I'm so glad I got the Mikey Premium, because that hot sun and this freaking leather in a black car is brutal. Let me tell you right now. That thing keeps it, what, 70 degrees in here at all times, so I'm loving it, man. Yeah, you know, everyone wants to know what you're up to when you're recording yourself. It's kind of weird. Get used to it. I'm loving this weather, dude. This is all I've been waiting for to make the fire content. And I got some people lined up, ready to make some awesome stuff together. So, yeah. 56 degrees and sunny, it's like perfect. This is like the best temperature for turbos. We got to take off the JB4 today. We got to get the car ready for the freaking dealer. Hey, I'm going to be removing the JB4 this weekend at some point, getting the car ready for the third dealer service, because next weekend is import face-off and I need my car back with fresh fluids, ready to roll for the TCU tune coming. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed, because we have some other cars getting involved and some really, really cool stuff coming. All right, let's just do a little pull. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.